Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, we are going to be making this card using the Above the Clouds bundle from the Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. And I got the inspiration for this card from a swap I received on the Greek Isles cruise this summer from my friend Julie. So I wanted to recreate it in my own colors, and so let's get started. I have the paper pre-cut and scored. This is a piece of Seaside Spray cardstock cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4 for the card base. And then I have 2 pieces of the Woven Threads Designer Series paper that is really highlights our new in colors this year. One piece is cut 3.5 by 2 1/4, and a smaller piece at 3.5 by 1. And then I have a piece of Whisper White that is cut at 1.5 by 3.5. So all the same width as far as going across the card, and then tall, it's going to vary to make the main image on the front. So before we get started on adhering that, I want to show you a little trick on stamping and punching with the hot air balloon punch. So what I did is I just took a scrap piece of very vanilla cardstock and punched out the shapes there, okay? And then I'm going to take the images that I'm going to use in this on the card and just line them up like a puzzle in those spaces, okay? Then I take my clear block, except I need to do it the other way. You want the wrong side up, the side that's going to adhere to the clear block, okay? Just like that. And then pick it up with your clear block, okay? So there you have it positioned. And now I have a piece of Whisper White cardstock. I'm using my markers to color today. So this is Seaside Spray. And so I'm just going to color with the brush tip on its side. And this time I'm going like a diagonal brush stroke. And that's going to give it that diagonal look once I stamp it. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same with the little basket down here. And I'm just going straight up and down. All right. I'm going to blow on it a bit to moisten the ink. And then stamp and lift up. Okay, now I'm going to take the little basket and use terracotta tile, and I also am going to want the outline of the hot air balloon, and I'm going to stamp that as well. So let me get my terracotta tile and color this the same way. And I chose these colors to by the color I chose in my designer paper. And I'm going to stamp over the top here, just like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this outline for the balloon and terracotta tile. And this is an example of simple stamping, and what I mean by that is it uses very little supplies, stamps, ink, and paper, and of course we're using our punch here, which comes with this stamp set in a bundle. And so let me take this, I'm going to go over top of the okay, so now let's see if this works just like I want it to. And I think it is. I think I need to trim a little off the bottom. It's not going as far up as I want it to. So let's try that again. Yeah. Okay, I think it's gonna be good. Let me see. There we go. Okay, so let's start putting our card together. There's our 2 pieces there. All right. Let's get our card base again, and let's go ahead and stamp our sentiment on this piece of Whisper White. I've got "We Rise by Lifting Others" mounted here. My favorite sentiment from this set. I just love it. In fact, when I bought this set, that is why I bought it, for this sentiment. It's just so true. I'm going to do it over here to the right side. I'm lining it up on my grid sheet. Okay, and then we can go ahead and assemble this. So let me put this largest piece at the top. Okay, and now I'm going to come down about 1/4 of an inch and put the Whisper White strip with the sentiment. Well, come on. All right. Just about 1/4 of an inch, and line it up with the top. And then we're going to take this last piece of designer paper and come down about 1/4 inch and put it just like that. All right, let's get our hot air balloon here, and we're going to be good to go. It's going to overlap the top designer paper and the Whisper White, and then we can get our little basket and put that right there. Okay, there's our card for today. Some simple stamping with just a punch and a very sweet card that you can send to someone. If you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com, and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.